Hello everyone. In the last video, we were discussing the introduction of philosophy and we discussed the many conceptions about philosophy. Today, we will discuss division of philosophy and benefit of philosophy. ये दो टॉपिक हम आज पढ़ेंगे. ये लास्ट वाली वीडियो का ही पार्ट 2 है. Division of philosophy. Philosophy as a vast and fundamental field of inquiry is traditionally divided into several branches that explore different aspects of human thought and existence. These branches or divisions of philosophy help us categorize and understand the various areas of philosophical investigation. First is metaphysics, तत्व मीमांसा इसको बोलते हैं तत्व मीमांसा. So the word metaphysics meaning after the physics in reference to works that are studied after the study of physics. Metaphysics is the foundation of philosophy. The Aristotle calls it first philosophy and says it is the subject that deals with first cause and the principles of thing. एरिस्टोटल हु वॉज अ ग्रीक फिलोसफर, उन्होंने मेटाफिजिक्स को क्या नाम दिया? फर्स्ट फिलोसफी. इसके अंदर हम बात करते हैं तत्व की या उनके निर्माण की. Metaphysics is the branch of philosophy that deals with the fundamental nature of reality and existence. It explores question about the nature of being, substance, causality, time, space, and the ultimate structure of universe. Metaphysician seeks to understand the relationship between mind and matter and explore the concept of identity, change, and persistence. Some key questions in metaphysics include what is the nature of reality? जो वास्तविकता का नेचर क्या है? Does the universe have a purpose? Is there an order in the cosmos independent of human perception? अगर कोई चीज़ हम परसीव ना करें तो भी क्या उसका एग्जिस्टेंस रहेगा? How does the world exist and what is its origin or source of creation? Does the world exist outside the mind? How can the incorporeal mind affect the physical body? Next is epistemology, ज्ञान मीमांसा. So the word epistemology is derived from epistem, which means knowledge, and logos means theory or science. So it inquiries into the nature and the origin of knowledge. So epistemology deals with the science or the theory of knowledge. As such, epistemology is the theory which inquires into the nature, condition, factors, limitations, and the origin of knowledge. Philosophers in this field explore questions such as what can we know and how do we know it? हम क्या जानते हैं, कैसे जानते हैं, जानने के क्या क्या साधन हैं? Is knowledge based on reason, experience, or both? Can we be certain of anything? Epistemology also develops into issues of skepticism uh, and the reliability of our belief and perception. The root cause of human suffering is ignorance, actually. So, therefore, from the means and processes of true knowledge, men can get a painless and enjoyable life. Epistemology is the theory of knowing and the fundamental basis and the groundwork of metaphysics. So basically it precedes metaphysics क्योंकि हम जानते हमको ज्ञान पहले होता है. नेक्स्ट इज एथिक्स, नीति शास्त्र या नीति विज्ञान. Ethics is concerned with question of morality, principles of right and wrong, and how individuals should conduct themselves. Philosophers in ethics examine various ethical theories such as consequentialism, deontology, virtue ethics, है ना, etc. ये हम बहुत कुछ पढ़ते हैं, यूटिलिटेरियनिज्म, ये सब हम एथिक्स में पढ़ते हैं. So, in an attempt to provide guidance on how to make moral decision. Question in ethics include what makes an action morally right or wrong. ऐसा क्या है जो हमारे actions को सही या गलत बनाता है? What are our moral obligations to others and the environment? How should we determine what is morally good or bad? तो इस तरह से हम ethics में पढ़ते हैं. देन लॉजिक, तर्कशास्त्र. लॉजिक इज द स्टडी ऑफ प्रिंसिपल ऑफ वैलिड रीजनिंग एंड आर्गुमेंटेशन. It investigates the structure of valid argument and provide rules for correct reasoning. Philosophers in this branch analyze logical system, fallacies and the nature of inference. जिसमें डिडक्शन इंडक्शन आ जाता है. लॉजिक इज इंस्ट्रूमेंटल इन वेरियस फील्ड इंक्लूडिंग मैथमेटिक्स, कंप्यूटर साइंस एंड फिलोसफी itself. There are other way of dividing philosophy such as philosophy of science, philosophy of language, philosophy of law, aesthetic, philosophy of mind and philosophy of religion. कॉन्टिनेंटल फिलोसफी, एनालिटिकल फिलोसफी, बहुत सारे डिवीजन आगे भी हैं. अगर हम थोड़ा थोड़ा देखें, सो एस्थेटिक डील्स विद क्वेश्चंस अबाउट द नेचर ऑफ ब्यूटी, आर्ट एंड आर एस्थेटिक एक्सपीरियंस, जिसको हम सौंदर्य शास्त्र भी बोलते हैं. फिलोसफर एक्सप्लोर द क्राइटेरिया फॉर आर्टिस्टिक एक्सप्रेशन and the nature of aesthetic judgment and the role of art in human life. Aesthetic questions include what is art, what makes something beautiful, is beauty subjective or objective, etc. Then philosophy of law. Philosophy of law address questions related to governance, authority, justice, and organization of society. Philosophers analyze different political systems and explore issues of rights, freedom, equality, and the role of government in shaping society. So, questions in political philosophy include what is the proper role of a state? How should society be organized to achieve justice and fairness? Then philosophy of mind. It investigates the nature of consciousness, mental process and mind-body relationship. Philosophers explore questions about the nature of the mind, perception, emotions and the problem of free will. Key question in the philosophy of mind include what is the mind? Is the mind separate from the body or a product of it? Do we have free will or are our action determined? Next is philosophy of science. It examines the nature of scientific knowledge, methodology and scientific process. It delves into question about the scientific method, distinction between science and pseudoscience. ये बहुत important है, science and pseudoscience का distinction. The relation between observation and theory. Philosophers analyze concepts like causation, explanation, and the nature of scientific law. Then, philosophy of religion. The philosophy of religion explores the question about the existence of God, the nature of religious belief, and the relationship between faith and reason. इसका वीडियो मैं डाल भी चुकी हूँ, faith and reason का हम सेपरेट वीडियो अपलोड कर चुके हैं. Philosophers in this field analyze argument for and against the existence of deity, religious experience, and the problem of evil. So, these divisions of philosophy are not rigidly separated but often overlap and interact with one another. Philosophers engage in critical thinking, analysis, and reasoning to explore these areas and uncover deeper insight into the nature of reality. knowledge, morality, and human experience. So, philosophy continues to be a dynamic and essential field, inspiring curiosity and stimulating intellectual exploration in our quest to understand ourselves and the world we inhabit. Now, what are the benefits of philosophy? Studying philosophy offers numerous benefits that extend beyond the realm of academia. It enhances critical thinking, fosters intellectual curiosity, and provide valuable skill applicable to various aspects of life. So here are some of the key benefits of studying philosophy. First is critical thinking skill, जो हम बार बार पढ़ रहे हैं. Philosophy trains individuals to think critically and logically. It involves analyzing complex idea, constructing well-reasoned argument, and evaluating different viewpoint. These skills are transferable and can be applied in problem solving, decision making, and navigating various real world situations. Second is enhanced problem solving ability. Philosophical inquiry involves grappling with difficult questions and conceptual puzzles. By engaging in rigorous analysis and logical reasoning, students develop a strong problem solving ability that can be applied in diverse fields and circumstances. कि आप समस्याओं को सुलझाने में बहुत प्रभावित होंगे. फिलॉसफी आपके अंदर वो कैपेबिलिटी लेकर आएगी कि आप समस्याओं को ईजिली सुलझा पाएंगे. एथिकल डिसीजन मेकिंग. Philosophers explore moral principles and ethical theories, leading to a deeper understanding of right and wrong conduct. This understanding helps individuals make more informed and ethically sound decisions, both in personal and professional life. कि आप ये डिसीजन ले पाएंगे कि क्या सही है और क्या गलत, क्या नैतिक दृष्टि से हमें करना चाहिए और क्या नहीं, पर्सनल लाइफ में भी और प्रोफेशनल लाइफ में भी. Fourth one is open mindedness and tolerance. Studying philosophy exposes a student to diverse perspective and cultural value. These fosters open mindedness and tolerance, encouraging a more inclusive and empathetic outlook towards other. क्योंकि आपका जो थॉट प्रोसेस होता है वो बहुत ओपन हो जाता है. आपका पर्सपेक्टिव, व्यू पॉइंट ये बहुत नैरो नहीं रह जाता है, ये एक्सटेंड होता है. और टॉलरेंस आपके अंदर टॉलरेट करने की कैपेबिलिटी भी आ जाती है. नेक्स्ट इज इंटेलेक्चुअल क्यूरियोसिटी. Philosophy encourages individual to question assumptions, seek answers to fundamental questions, and explore the unknown thing. It nurtures intellectual curiosity, driving individuals to continually seek knowledge and engage in lifelong learning. कि आपको जानने की उत्सुकता होती है, जो चीज़ अननोन है उसे जानने की, फंडामेंटल क्वेश्चंस जो है उनके आंसर जानने की, ये फिलॉसफी आपके अंदर डेवलप करता है. Then effective communication skill. Philosophical discourse involve articulating complex ideas clearly and persuasively. Studying philosophy honors or program communication skills, helping students express their thought more effectively in both written and oral forms. आपके अंदर, क्योंकि आपके अंदर ना सिर्फ नॉर्मल लैंग्वेज में बोलने की बल्कि अपने थॉट को और व्यवस्थित रूप से लोगों के सामने रखने की भी कैपेबिलिटी आ जाती है कि आप कम शब्दों में अपनी बात बहुत अच्छे ढंग से रख पाएँ. देन सेल्फ रिफ्लेक्शन एंड सेल्फ डिस्कवरी. फिलोसफिकल इंक्वायरी ऑफन डेवलप्स into questions about personal identity, purpose, and meaning of life. This introspection promotes self-awareness and self-discovery, leading to personal growth and deeper understanding of oneself. जो फिलॉसफी हमें बाहर की खोज के साथ साथ हमारे अंदर की खोज के लिए भी हमको उत्साहित करती है. ठीक है, कि हमारा स्वभाव क्या है, हमारा एग्जिस्टेंस किस पर निर्भर है, हमारी पर्सनैलिटी जो इनर ग्रोथ है, इनर पर्सनैलिटी है, उस तरफ भी हमारा ध्यान खींच के लाती है। Next is appreciation for art, beauty, and culture. Aesthetic, a branch of philosophy, explore the nature of art, beauty, and aesthetic experience. Studying aesthetic foster an appreciation for various art form and cultural expression. ये एक पेपर है, उसके जब उसको पढ़ने से हमारे अंदर क्या था, एस्थेटिक वैल्यूज ग्रो करती हैं। Then, interdisciplinary learning. Philosophy intersects with various disciplines such as science, politics, psychology, and literature. By exploring these intersections, students gain interdisciplinary insight and a broader understanding of the interconnectedness of knowledge. ये नहीं है कि हम दूसरे सब्जेक्ट से रिलेट नहीं कर पा रहे हैं, फिलोसफी को पढ़ने के बाद हम बस फिलोसफी तक ही लिमिटेड रह गए, नहीं, दूसरे एरिया भी फिलोसफी को बहुत अच्छी तरह से रिलेट करते हैं। एंड लास्ट इज प्रिपरेशन फॉर करियर्स एंड लाइफ स्किल्स. So the critical thinking, communication, and problem solving skill cultivate through studying philosophy are highly sought after in various professions. Philosophy graduates often excel in fields such as law, medicine, education, business, एंड पब्लिक सर्विस। तो आपके लिए, जैसे कि हमने इसके पहले वाली वीडियो जो मैंने आपके लिए डाली थी करियर ऑप्शंस, उसमें भी मैंने आपको बताया था कि आपके लिए कितने सारे ऑप्शंस हैं, आप एक जगह लिमिटेड नहीं रह जाते हैं, आपके लिए बहुत सारे करियर ऑप्शंस ओपन हो जाते हैं आफ्टर स्टडिंग फिलोसफी। So these are the benefits of philosophy. In summary, studying philosophy offers a wide range of benefits that enrich individuals' intellectuality, emotionally, and ethical. By encouraging critical thinking, open-mindedness, and ethical reasoning, philosophy equips students with valuable skills and perspectives that enhance their personal and professional lives. ये 2 पार्ट में हमने अपना ये टॉपिक कंप्लीट किया, फिलोसफी, इसके मिसकंसेप्शंस, इसका डिवीजन एंड इसके बेनिफिट। थैंक यू सो मच।